What are we doing, Veronica? Are you making ice cream cones?
Perfect.
Uh-oh. Those are some big ice cream cones.
This one.
Oh, is this one for me? Thank you.
Chocolate. Ice cream chocolate.
Ice cream chocolate. Is this one strawberry?
And this one is for
Vanilla. That one is mint chocolate chip. Can you say that?
This one is chocolate chip.
Good job. Hey, Veronica, what's your name?
Veronica,
And how old are you?
say 2.
Say 2. Good job. And what was your name again? Oh, you're too busy eating ice cream. Oh, no, you lost it. Is it delicious?
We start there.
Oh, here, you want it back? There you go.
I want to put the chocolate.
Oh, you put it on the right.
I want to put
Good girl.
those ice.
Yes, ma'am.
Not ice cream.
What's the matter? Veronica, what's the matter?
Oh, this is ice cream.
Oh, you want some ice cream.
One for J.
Thank you.
This is. Oh, we need now for the knife.
A knife? What do we need a knife for?
We need now to cut.
I don't think I need to cut my ice cream. Thank you.
There.
Thank you very much.